our outfit right now. Yes. Now, please introduce yourself to everybody.
Hi, my name is Tyra Ray Florito Goldman. I am 23 and I'm representing Bohol.
Wow, there you go. Hello to all of those who are Boholanos out there who are watching us right now. Now, representing and carrying the name of your city and province must be such an honor. Now, how does it feel to represent your hometown in the Miss Universe Philippines?
You know, I feel so lucky and I feel so grateful because I have a lot of people in my corner and my family and my community. I feel them through social media that they're truly supporting me. So I just want to make them proud and I want to show that on stage today.
And even if you're not yet on stage, you are definitely exuding that kind of aura. And I'm very, very happy that there's a lot of people supporting you right now. Now, what excites you so far with your journey here in Miss Universe Philippines?
You know, this is the first time for me. The last time I competed was when I was 20 and that was in Nevada and also Mutya ng Pilipinas. So this is so exciting because I get to have new experiences and I get to meet so many beautiful women who are truly confident and really know their purpose.
There you go. Now, I see that you're glowing. I am loving your complexion. I guess you also have a lot of water and good sleep, but I think a big part of that is skincare, I believe, right? Now, what is the importance of good skincare, just like Pina Beauty, in helping you feel more empowered on stage?
You know, we don't get a lot of sleep as pageant queens, but we do try to drink as much water, and I actually do have sensitive skin, so making sure every night I'm being super disciplined and putting my skincare on and translating that on the stage, because you can truly feel even more confident when you're looking good on the outside and you're feeling good on the inside as well.
There you go. Very, very well said. Thank you so much and good luck. See you on stage. Thank you so much. All right.
Magandang araw mga kapolitika at welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Ang ating pag-uusapan sa ngayon ay usapang Miss Universe Philippines 2025. At in this video po ay ating tatalakayin ang pambato ng Bohol. Kasi ngayon ay isa siya sa mga malakas at maugong na kandidata dito sa MUPH 2025. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. So atin pong pag-uusapan itong lumabas na hot list na kung saan ay biglang bumulaga nga itong si Bohol bilang frontrunner dito sa MUPH 2025 according sa mga pageant experts at mga pageant pages dito sa mundo ng social media. So magbibigay tayo ng reaksyon mga kapolitika kasi doon sa ating mga naunang video ay natalakay rin po natin itong pambato ng Bohol na si Tyra Goldman. And dito kasi sa kanyang interview ay napaka-fluent niya. Okay, ang sabi nga ng iba ay baka itong si Tyra Goldman daw ang tatapos ng laban dito sa MUPH. Sa kanyang communication skills ay para siyang si Catriona Gray. So in other words ay meron siyang similarities dito kay Catriona Gray. Talagang makuda rin po itong pambato ng Bohol at masasabi natin na meron talaga siyang ibubuga pagdating sa preliminaries or baka manggulat rin itong pambato ng Bohol. So usap-usapan ito ngayon sa mundo ng social media at marami rin po ang nagagandahan sa kanya at yung kanyang, di ba, napag-usapan natin doon sa ating mga naunang video na isa sa mga dark horse itong si Bohol, si Tyra Goldman. So pagdating naman sa ganda ay hindi naman natin may pagkakailan na napakarami rin pong magaganda at number one talaga dito itong pambato ng Tarlac at itong si Iliana Marie Aduana. But when it comes talaga sa communication skills ay tatalunin sila dito kay Tyra Goldman. So ito yung edge, kumbaga ito yung panlaban ni Miss Bohol dito sa MUPH 2025 at most especially kung papasok siya sa top 5. So yun ang nakikita ko, nag-shine rin po siya, stand out at marami nga ang mga pageant expert na nakapansin na itong si Bohol ay yung ganda niya mga kapolitika hindi mo rin pwedeng isnabin or hindi mo pwedeng hindi siya mapansin talaga. So samantala itong si Atisa Manalo naman po ay pasabog rin po ang kanyang mga everyday na ganap dito sa MUPH at ano siya, talagang suki siya ngayon ng mga produkto at yung mga endorsements dahil nga masikat at may pangalan na itong si Atisa Manalo. At kung kayo ang tatanungin ano po ang inyong maging reaksyon or ano po ang inyong masasabi dito sa pambato ng Bohol na si Tyra Goldman. Siya na kaya ang kukoronahan bilang Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.